first, the latest coming in from the Congress party headquarters in the capital, where Congress President Sonia Gandhi will be present to celebrate the 131st anniversary of the party today. In fact, other senior Congress leaders are also expected to be present at the venue. Let's go across live to Samya now. She's joining us from the party headquarters. Samya, what are the preparations looking like on this 131st anniversary of the Congress party? And in between, we're also getting reports that perhaps Rahul Gandhi would give it a miss.
Well, last year too, Rahul Gandhi, the Vice President of the Congress Party, was not present at this Foundation Day function. And today, all eyes are set to see whether at all he's going to make an appearance today. Will he be in attendance today? They have got speculations that he may be absent from this occasion. But we are waiting to confirm till we see it. When the senior leaders will start coming in, we only get clarity on that front. But as of now, we know for a fact that the former Prime Minister, Manmohan Singh, would be present there. The senior leaders, the Congress Working Committee members, and the President herself would be present. We are waiting to also see what Sonia Gandhi will probably have to say. Will she bring up the issue of National Herald once again? Will she hit out at the government once again? We are waiting to hear what the Congress address is going to be on this occasion of the 131st Foundation Day of the Congress Party. I'm right now outside the Congress headquarters in Delhi, and you can see right behind me there have been security deployment, there have been made arrangements put in place for the celebration of the 131st anniversary of the Congress Party. Today is the Foundation Day, and we are expecting the Congress President Sonia Gandhi herself to unfurl the Congress national flag and would also address the public with the media, and they're going to say a few words about on this occasion. They're also expecting the CWC members and the senior leaders from the Congress Party to be in attendance at this function. This is something the Congress does traditionally every year. Already at the district level and at the state level, at the PCC level, the celebrations are underway, and the Congress Party has made enormous arrangements inside and outside as well to commemorate this day.